Fabian. Fabian, hi Araceli. How you talk about we're going to choose for the assignee. Araceli, hi Fabian. Yes, I was think about talking about my older brother. He is a great example of summoning I really admire. Fabian, good is that I could talk about my nip. He is very intelligent and hardworking for his age. Perfect. That's why we can use a vocabulary from the unitive, possessive, adjective, family relation, indicative, artistless, and demonstrative. Yes, and we can also use adjective to describe ability and personality. Let's start with my brother. His name is Carlos. He is 35 years old and he is a doctor. He is tall, has brother, high and grand ages. He is very keen and responsible. My ne- my nephew's name is Mateo. He is 20. He is he is 12 years old and he goes to school. He is short but very friendly. He has black hair and always simile. We can Newton why when American he for example we admire Nephew because he is very dedicated to his studying. And I can say something like my new is a role model for our family. Also, we should include some demonstrative like like this boy is very expected to us through. Let's put every theory is in a short paragraph of third of third of 13 and 14. Word using first person plural and the person singular. All of my family members we admire the is own uncle his name is Carlos. He is 5 years old and he is doctor. He is tall as brown hair and green ears. He is keen responsibility and hardworking. We admire him because he always help others. His smile is beautiful and his attitude is very important for our family.